I look for cars before I do them.
The brake is good enough?
There's no brake.
What?
Did you ever see a brake on that?
No, is it when if there's a car and you already down like that, you think the brake can hold you?
I'm just not going to guess. I look before I go down the hill. Good morning, Philippines!
Let me wash my hand, guys. Tommy's using the sink. Hold on. Hi, Bobo! Good morning! Good morning, guys! It's 6:22 ng umaga ngayon and it's Wednesday. We have to throw the garbage. Thankfully, yung basura namin dito is pick up sila late. Mga nasa 12. Paminsan early, pero mostly late. But anyway, good morning. And magluto tayo ng bacon kasi Roxy told me, I want bacon, I want bacon, I want bacon. And my husband is cleaning the water dish para sa kids. Yan. And lubat pala ako, change battery tayo bago magluto. Dito yung asawa ko. Wet. Anyway, so magluto tayo ng bacon and then mag-scrambled egg tayo with the bacon. My husband, I don't know what he wants. Do you want scrambled or sunny side up with bacon? You pick now. You like scrambled on the sunny side up? Sunny side up. Huh?
I like sunny side up. I just don't have the bread. I don't know.
I'm gonna do bread.
Yeah, do sunny side up.
Hold on to your body. Hold on to your body. Memory, hold on to your memory. Habs, do you want bacon? I want bacon. Do you want bacon? Do you want bacon? Sabi ni Habs, you're annoying, you're annoying. You're annoying, mama. Sunny side up with bread. So, yun yung gagawin natin. Mag-ano din tayo ng bread. Diyan kayo ha. Okay lang ba kayo dyan, guys? Hindi ba kayo na hihilo? Hindi ba kayo nahihilo sa mga pinagagawa ko? Di ba nakakahilo pa minsan, guys, di ba? Kahit ano na lang yung pinagagawa ko, andin kayo nakatingin. Nakakahilo ba? Kasi ito, magbikon-bikon na naman tayo. Hindi ko man ito lutuin lahat kasi delikado, guys, bacon. Delikado kasi kapag may makita itong bacon yung isa, kapag may makitang bacon, talagang kain ang kain. Kaya magluto lang tayo yung anong kakainin namin ngayon. Anyway, guys, so ngayon, guys, it is 60. Yun yung pinakamataas na temperature, 60, pero late afternoon. And then bukas, I'm thankful because it will be until the rest of the day, and then in the next few days, it's 70 plus. Oh my God. Na guys, yung breakfast. Ang itlog ni Tommy. Ang itlog ni Tommy. Ang itlog talaga ni Tommy na biak. Ang dalawang itlog na niloto ko for Tommy is nabiak. Hindi yung, ang itlog ni Tommy, andyan. And then bacon, coffee. Ito yung sa akin, di ba? 5 bread. Pero guys, alam nyo guys, aso, Habs, konti lang yung kakainin kong bread. And then yun, isang egg. So yun lang. As usual, pagkatapos ng luto, andun si Tommy sa labas. So, magiginaw yung pagkain niya. So, ganyan yun siya, guys. Yun yung drama palagi. But anyway, ano ba ang gagawin ko ngayong araw? Hindi ko alam. Habs! Anyway. Hi, guys! Good morning. Did I say good morning? Oh, yeah, I think I said good morning. Kukuha tayo ng ano sa second floor. Tawag nito. Sweater kasi maginaw. Maginaw pa, guys. At saka madilim din. Madilim. Maginaw and mahangin-hangin din konti. And then si Tommy, plano niyang mag-cut ng grass. Kapag mag-cut ng grass, nag-alala ako. Alam niyo, kapag nai-stress ako kapag si Tommy yung mag-cut ng grass. Kasi always worried ako, guys. Baka matuwad baliskad yung machine. So, yun yung pinaka-worried ko. Yung machine baka magtuwad baliskad. Kasi may mga area na hilly area. And din si Tommy, mahilig yan mag-challenge sa sarili niya. Oh, here you go. Working clothes na din siya. Ang madumi at saka, well, hindi. That's not your working clothes.
No, well, the other shirt is all, but this was ripped too. So.
Okay, oh, it's ripped. So, yung mga working clothes niya is mga gisi-gisi, sira-sira. Right, big boy? Hey, if you get hungry, come in, okay? Stop, okay? You have Taco Bell. Taco Bell. Taco is billing.
Taco Fellows.
Yeah, Taco Hills. Let me do this. Okay, nagkakat si Tami ng grass.
You could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed.
Na, katapos ko lang nag-weedwalk. Hello guys. So, tapos na tayong kumain. Lalabas ako guys. Labas lang tayo. Ilagay ko lang yung mga mga kailangan kong ilagay sa harap. Yung mga plant or something. Yun. And then I'm going to start painting. Maglagay ng stain. Hindi pala siya paint. Stain pala. Dito ko po ito ilagay. Tignan nyo tong ano. Tinatry talagang kunin ng dito ko po siya ilagay lang dito yan dyan, and then itong isa dito hiwa-hiwalay natin kasi dito talaga yung groundhog talaga guys, dyan talaga sila guys. Yarn, maglagay tayo ng isa doon at saka sa baba. I think yun lang. Tapos na si Tami dito. Oh, may mga bubuyog. Ang dami ng bubuyog guys. Alam nyo, yung rose dito, mamamatay na sana yan. Buti na lang nabuhay. And sa tingin ko, ang daming roses na makikita ninyo. Look. Look kasi, alala, ang daming bubuyog. Look, oh, malago siya guys. Sobrang masaya. Kinakat ko lang yan last year. And then lumago, look. Ang daming bulaklak na parating. Roses. Doon din sa kabila, kinat ko siya. And then the same thing nangyari. Ang daming mga lalabas. Look, ang ganda ng panahon ngayon. Ang ganda ng panahon. Tignan nyo yung langit. Sobrang clear, di ba? Sobrang saya. Tignan natin si Tami. Andun niya siya sa giliran ng bahay. Tignan natin. Sabi pa niya, ikat na lang daw niya lahat kasi wala siya dito weekend. Update sa mangga guys. Look, may bagong dahon. Look, may bagong dahon. Hindi nyo makita eh. Look, bagong dahon. Masaya siya. And then ito naman, masaya sila kahit kinakain ng mga anik. Ito naman, tumubo na sila. Masaya. Patay na yung machine. Pinatay na ni Tami. Naglagay pala ako ng dun guys. Naglagay ako ng harang. Kita nyo? Hinarangan ko.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it.
Hindi pa rin ako tapos. Ilagay ko lang yung mga binili kong bulaklak dito.
Something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. Cup after cup, yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall.
Nabisi dito ay ko guys. Nabisi ako sa mga gawain ang dami ko kasing ginagawa. So, hindi na ako masyado nakapag-vlog. So, itong, lalagyan ng bulaklak. Gamitin natin.
Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
ngayon for now sa hindi nyo makita yung mukha ko. Sa paglagay ng stain. Bukas na naman yung sa taas. You're a blind doggy! Dada doesn't bring you in. Oh, what a Dada. Do you have to kiss Mama? Yes, ay, kissy. Oh my God, I'm hairy. Hala, dindin na. Eat your dindin na. Finally, guys, nakaligo na tayo, guys. Kasi, oh my goodness. Sobrang, so pakiramdam, alimuot. Sobrang alimuot. So, ngayon, yung asawa ko, siya yung magluluto ng, chicken. Mag-grill daw siya ng chicken. Tika muna, guys. Sinuot ko yung damit ni Mister. Kasi, ganyan naman. Andito lang naman sa bahay. And then, time check. It's 5:40 na ng hapon. Yung chicken na dinipros niya is andito. Yun daw yung lulutuin niya for dinner. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam na marami tayong nagawa ngayong araw. Ang gaan ng feeling. Bukas wala nang alalahanin. Next week na naman. Han? You're really good with cutting the grass over there. That hilly thing. I'm afraid you do kind of like junk back. I was laughing when you do that. I was like, my God, I cannot do that. I'm afraid it might like flip. Han, you're not afraid, Han? Huh?
No, I just do it. I only flipped once.
You flipped there?
What? No, on the side.
Oh, the one when you're yelling at me?
Over here, I never flip.
Over there? The way you do like that way?
Yeah.
Like you go facing down?
You have to face down, otherwise you won't make it. You can't go up because it gets stuck. You can't go sideways with your flip, so you have to go down. That's why I have to go round, down, round, down, round, down.
But what if there is a car?
I look for cars before I do them.
The brake is good enough?
There's no brake.
What?
Did you ever see a brake on that?
What do you mean brake?
You said a brake.
No, is it when if there's a car and you already down like that, you think the brake can hold you?
I just want to go to gas. I look before I go down the hill. Hardly something to be
But
proud
it's satisfying after that, Han. It's happiness. It's like nice to see the yard clean. It's always, huh?
Feels bad.
Well, I told you I will cut. You're hard head now and then you're gonna whine. You know what? I'm going to drink wine. Kasi gusto kong mag-unwind. Let's drink wine and do unwind. So, I will drink wine. Kasi I see Tommy drinking. Ayaw ko ng glass na yan kasi nakakapagod maghugas. Delikado, mabuak. Mabiak. Mag-wine tayo guys kasi gusto kong relax yung katawan ko sa sa kakain nung anyway. Samahan natin si Tommy. We give him company. Okay, let's see if we can find wine. Yes, meron tayong wine. Santa Marina. Gusto ko, bibili ako ng margarita guys, for this summer. Mag-margarita tayo. Madali lang din akong malasing, kaya delikado. Ano ba, nakakaloka kasi malasing ako bilis talaga ako malasing.
I fall into you. Hey, I wish I could show you more, 'cause baby you deserve some more. But still you're here and that's what I adore. Should've told you straight away everything I have to say.
So, ayaw nila yung maginaw, kaya dito sila. Itong chutami pala, may trabaho bukas. So, sabi ko sa kanya, gamitin niya yung sasakyan ko kasi okay naman ito sa gas. And yun, yung sasakyan niya bukas, hopefully, malinis natin yung loob. So, yung ganap natin ngayong araw is na busy, napagod, na masakit yung katawan. Si Tommy tulog, napagod. So, yun, napagod siya, napagod din ako. So yun po guys, and I'm going to end the vlog kasi pahinga lang kami. It's 8:55 na ng gabi. And yun, Almost 9 o'clock na, sa matulog na kami. Si Tami tulog na sa couch. So yun, and palabasin pa niya yung mga aso. Kasi bago kami matulog guys, alam niyo ba, bago siya magpunta sa bed, lalabas muna siya for the last time para magsigarilyo. So, yung aso sasama, and then pagkatapos ng paninigarilyo, pagkatapos mag-ihi ng aso, bigyan niya ng treats, night treats. Yun yung ano niya. So, yun yung routine niya. So, yun. So, magising yan mamaya. But anyway guys, thank you so much guys for watching. And I hope I will see you guys tomorrow. So, kita-kits tayo bukas guys. Anyway, so yun. Bye. Good night.